Welcome to PT Parametric Solusi Integracy. In today's fast-paced manufacturing environment, precision, efficiency, and innovation are paramount. Computer-aided design (CAD) has become an indispensable tool in achieving these goals. Here's why CAD is so crucial in the manufacturing industry. 1. Precision and accuracy. CAD software allows engineers and designers to create highly detailed and accurate 2D and 3D models. This precision ensures that every component fits perfectly, reducing errors and the need for costly revisions. 2. Time efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of CAD is the ability to rapidly prototype designs. This capability accelerates the development process, allowing manufacturers to bring products to market faster. Changes can be made quickly and easily, saving both time and resources. 3. Cost reduction. By minimizing errors and reducing the need for physical prototypes, CAD helps lower production costs. It also optimizes material usage and streamlines the manufacturing process, leading to significant cost savings. 4. Enhanced collaboration. CAD software facilitates better collaboration among team members. Designs can be shared digitally, allowing for real-time feedback and modifications. This seamless communication improves overall project efficiency and ensures that everyone is on the same page. 5. Improved quality. With CAD, manufacturers can simulate and analyze the performance of their designs under various conditions. This capability helps in identifying potential issues early in the design process, leading to higher quality products. 6. Innovation and customization. CAD enables manufacturers to explore innovative designs and customize products to meet specific customer needs. The flexibility of CAD software allows for creative solutions that were previously difficult or impossible to achieve. See you in our next video.